Hello, friends. It's Snoopy. My dad took me for a drive around Tokyo. He was a truck driver when he was younger. Let's enjoy the street view of Tokyo with us. I used to live not far from here a few years ago. And when I was a student, I sometimes studied and had meals with friends in this area. The building on the left is Royal Host, a restaurant chain in Japan.
There was a coffee shop named Eden here.
Oh, was that here?
It's been for a long time.
You went there often, didn't you?
Never. But I often saw it.
I expected his old memories about this area, but they were not. This is Mejiro, a college town. There is Gakushuin University on the right-hand side. It is known as the university attended by the imperial family. The reigning emperor of Japan is an alumnus. His daughter, Princess Aiko, goes to this university. My dad seems to want to go to the toilet. But there is hardly any parking lot at convenience stores in the city. Driving around Tokyo is fun, but parking is expensive and there are few toilets. You can see Gokokuji Temple on the left-hand side. Long time ago, there was a Japanese rock star's funeral here.
There are many hills in the Tokyo area. About 600 hills.
Oh, really? Foreign tourists must be surprised, don't they?
Some of my friends were surprised to know that Tokyo is bigger than they thought.
Many houses.
Some people think Tokyo is tiny and set up reckless itineraries. Someone tried to visit both the Ghibli Museum and the museum in Odaiba in one day.
No way.
He did that.
Did he?
I don't know if he took time to enjoy both museums. I think he's done with just looking at the exhibits.
There's too much distance between Odaiba and the Ghibli Museum.
The Yamanote line and the other JR trucks run under this overpass. If we keep going this way, we'll soon be at Uguisdani Station. Oh, Tokyo Skytree is there. Okay, let's get closer to Tokyo Skytree anyway. We are now on Kototoi Street and approaching Asakusa. Cross Kototoi Bridge and Tokyo Skytree is just ahead. Tokyo Skytree is the tallest structure in Japan in 2010 and reached its full height of 634 meters. It's the tallest tower in the world. Now we are near Ryogoku Station. Next destination is Tokyo Tower. Okay, let's go. There is an office that I used to work at near here. Tokyo Tower is now in sight. Tokyo Tower is the second tallest structure after Tokyo Skytree in Japan. Its structure is an Eiffel Tower-inspired lattice tower that is painted white and orange to comply with air safety regulations. We are approaching Roppongi now. Roppongi, which literally means 6 trees, is well known as the city's most popular nightlife district. I used to come here at night when I was a student, but not to go clubbing. Santry Hall, a classic concert hall, is near here. I went there very often when I was a student. Aoyama Cemetery is managed by the Tokyo Metropolitan Government. In spring, it's also famous for cherry blossoms and a good place for hanami. There must be my friend's restaurant near here. It's getting closer to Shibuya Station. Passing under this overpass is the Shibuya Scramble. Shibuya Station is on the left. If the traffic light here had been red, we could have stayed here a little longer. I got back to the Shibuya Scramble again. We'll turn left this corner and go through Harajuku to Shinjuku. It's not too far from Harajuku to Shinjuku. You can walk from here to Shinjuku if you give it a try. In this area, there are many condos with the name Palace Mansion. Harajuku Station has a dedicated imperial station called Palace Station. This is probably what the condos are named after. My office and the school are near here. I use this subway on the left very often. That is not the Empire State Building, but the NTT Docomo Building. Once here, Shinjuku is no longer far away. It's getting close to Yoyogi Station. The biggest building on the left is the headquarters of Japan Communist Party. This is the end of our Tokyo drive. Now I'm going to have a drink with my friends near here. Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね